Hey Impact Innovators, welcome back to the Shopify Store Setup Series. This is part 3 and I'm so excited because today we're talking about the 7 done-for-you digital products you can start selling today to jumpstart your online store. If you've ever felt stuck trying to figure out what to sell, well, I got you. These products are already packaged, polished, and ready to upload. And they're all included in my Ready, Set, Shopify Starter Bundle. Now, when I first started with Shopify, I spent so much time trying to figure out what to sell, how to make it look good, how to create my store. But that's why I created this bundle to help you take the guesswork out of it. These 7 products are not just fillers, they're strategically chosen to help your store look legit, serve your audience, and bring in sales. Now let's make your store look branded and beautiful without a photo shoot. So now we're going to add in a product for your store. We're going to add in a digital product, and the product we're going to be adding is the copy of the roadmap to financial freedom. So when you go back to your store, you can add in products by clicking here, or you can click on products over to the left, and then you can go ahead and click add products. And here we are going to fill in a couple of things. This just tells all about the product. So we're going to first start with the name, and it is going to be the roadmap to financial freedom. And then we're going to upload the media, and by uploading the media, we're going to go to Canva. We're going to take the cover picture. We're going to hit share, download. I usually do a JPEG because it's best for sharing. I believe it is the smallest file size. Then you're going to hit current page, and then you're going to download this. And then you're going to go back over to products and you're going to upload it. And this is the copy here. I'm going to go here, wait for it to process, and there is our roadmap to financial freedom. And then what I do is I click on the picture, and then I'm going to put in some SEO for the actual image, so when Google search sees it, or a search engine sees it, it kind of knows what the picture is about. So I'm going to put in roadmap to financial freedom ebook. We'll put guide and then ebook, and then I will copy and paste here. And then I'll put it here for the alternate text as well. And then I'm going to hit save. And then I'll hit exit to go back. And there is the picture. Now we are going to take a look at this. The category will automatically fill in. Shopify does that, but I'm going to take a look. I'm going to change it and make it ebooks. And then you can put tags here. You can do collections, you can set up collections, but for right now we're just focusing on getting the basics of the upload. So we have our image. Now we're going to put in the description, and I'm going to be using Chat GPT to help me with the description. So I have filled in what was in the parentheses. I put in what I wanted it to say. So now I'm going to ask Chat GPT to give me an output for product description. And look at that, a ready to go product description with everything that I need. And now I'm going to copy and paste that over into Shopify. So you would just copy, go here, paste it using Control V, and there's your product description. And then you can take out whatever doesn't work for you, or whatever you don't want to keep. You can just easily delete it. And then these are good keywords. These keywords can actually be used when you're doing your setup, ways that people can find your website, but we're going to take those out for now. Then we're going to delete this. And then there we go. And then also what will happen in Chat GPT when it does these bullet points, I'll kind of show you what it looks like if you don't alter it. It transfers over kind of weird, but let's just preview it so you can see what I'm talking about. So you see, kind of puts those spaces there. Well, we can easily fix that by going back, highlight the text, hit the three dots. Then we're going to put the bullets back. And then now we save it. Let me see, I also want to take out that little space right there. I'm going to save it. And we're going to preview it again. And this time it should look perfect. There you go. So you have your image, you have your description all ready to go. And I will be giving you this description. It will be in the, I will be giving you this prompt. It will be in the description box, so you can easily use that. Easy peasy. You can use it for digital products or any of your products, but it will give you your product description. And then some other things we can just take a look at on this page. You can have your pricing. You can do compare at pricing. You can do, if you want to keep track of how many you have in stock, you could do that. This would be good if you're doing a physical product, but for these purposes, we're going to take this off because we're not doing a physical product. And then we are going to just put in a price for right now, so you can kind of see what that looks like. And then also, I'm going to show you this because this is important. I don't think people go over it enough. The search engine listing, how it will look to search engines. You do want to edit this. So when you look at this, Shopify gives you guidelines of what it should be. So you want to put in here, you want to try to fill up this as much as possible. And then you want to put in a meta description. And you want to go up to the characters. And then you also want to, if you need to, customize your URL handle. This is extremely important for search engine, and you can have Chat GPT to give you this. Like you can put in, help me create a page title for SEO purposes using up to 70 characters. You can easily put that into Chat GPT. So this is just a section that I wanted to show you that you should take a look at as well. But now we're going to preview this now that I've added on the pricing here, and that's what it will look like. And then you have your pricing there. And then one other thing I want to show you on the product page is you can set up collections over here under products. You can set up collections, and then your tags would be keywords that people would find you at. So when we went here in Chat GPT and it gave these keywords, let me just find them, keywords, you can actually put those like under where your tags are. So you can easily do that by copying and pasting and putting them as part of your tags. So just wanted to show you that. But now you have your first product set up for your digital store. Okay, so let's recap what you are going to get in the Ready Set Shopify Starter Bundle. You are going to get a 26-page ebook or guide, whatever you want to call it, but it's going to be a 26-page guide that will walk you through how to set up your Shopify store. So you are going to get that. And then you are also going to get the theme, which is a one-click install, and I showed you that. And then you're also going to get the startup bundle. You're going to get 2 banners that you can customize for your store. You're going to get over 300 stock images, so you can change them out on your home page, on your product page, whatever you want to do, but you're going to get over 300 photos to do that with. And then you're also going to get 7 done for you. This is just an example of one, but you're going to get 7 done for you digital products that you can put on your store and start selling. And then lastly, you are going to get a pricing calculator, which will help you to figure out what your pricing should be for your product. And this will work if you're going to do physical products. I mean, I'm doing this series, but it will work for physical products. If you're going to do physical products, then this will help you as well. But either way, you're going to get a pricing calculator because I don't want you undercharging. So that is a walkthrough of what you're going to get for the Ready Start Shopify bundle pack. And then lastly, oh, I almost forgot, you are also going to get, I'm throwing this in as well, you're going to get the product description for your Shopify store. So I'm going to leave you a link for this description in the description box, but you are going to get this as well. If you've been waiting on the perfect time to start your Shopify store, this is it. Click the link below and grab the Ready Set Shopify Ultimate Starter Bundle. You'll have everything you need to start strong. No tech overwhelm, no guesswork, and no need to hire anyone. I believe in you, and I believe in the power of digital products. If I can do it, you can too. Comment below why you want to start selling digital products in your business. I want to support you. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you can get notifications when I post a new video. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.